I love him so much. Why is he not coming back? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Cormont, your love coach, and today in this special video I want to explain to you why even if you love him so much, he's not coming back to you, he's not showing that he trusts you. There is something really important, and if you follow my videos, if you follow Love Advice TV, I'm always telling you this thing. Love is not the answer. The answer is happiness. You can love him so much that sometimes you're too needy. Sometimes you're not even a challenge. Sometimes the relationship is not what he wants. And this is something really important that I'm bringing into this video. One thing, I'm not asking you to change for him. I'm not telling you that you have to do everything that he is the perfect guy. This is not my philosophy. But today, as a love coach, as a relationship expert, it's my job to tell you something. Love is not the answer. You can love someone so much, but if it's not what he wants, that will create a problem. So, the answer is happiness. And for every man, there is something that is working. It's to show him that you have changed. What does it mean? If your life is better than his life, he will consider you. What is a better life? I want you to bring enjoyment. I want you to bring new activities. I want you to try things in your life that you have not done before. Because then you will realize that, wow, you have changed. Your life is so cool. I want to spend time with you. And it's the best way to get him back. Because I know you love him, but by loving him, you're chasing him, which is not a good idea, which is not what we want. And you will tell me, Alex, I'm so bored to play some games. It's annoying, and I know it. But honestly, games are here. We need to accept the rules. We need to play the game to make this guy the one that you really want into your life. I know you love him. I know you don't want to play the game, but actually, you're just facing a wall. You're in a situation where you're not happy, and you're continuing giving so much energy, so much love, and not receiving in return. And this is not what I want with you or for you. So number one, love is not the answer. Happiness, having the best life ever, this is the answer. Showing him what he has lost. Maybe you went to a concert, maybe you went to a basketball game, or you were hiking, or you're going out with your friends. Whatever you're doing actually, it's a good idea. If you do it for yourself, if you do it because it makes you happy, then I can guarantee you that will change the situation. He will consider you. This is number one. Number two, if someone is not coming back, but you love him so much, it's about trust. Maybe he thinks that you don't really have changed. Maybe he thinks that your change was just for today and not for tomorrow. So you will ask me, Alex, how can I change? How can I show that I have changed? How can I show him that I'm really the person that I want to be now? By thinking, how can I show him? You will kill your chance to get back together. Why? Because you will chase him, as I told you. Because you will always pursue him and say, hey, look, I have changed. If you do that, it's not controlling your emotions. If you want to show that you have changed and you are the best version of yourself, you just need to talk to him as if it's your best friend. If you can talk to him as if it's your best friend, let's say your best friend is Kimberly, if you can talk to this guy as if it's Kimberly, and you will say, oh, that's easy to get back together. Yes, it's easy because you will be yourself. You will not have 100 thoughts, negative thoughts here, killing yourself, asking, what should I do? What words should I say to him on a text message? Because these emotions is actually killing the process of getting back with this guy. And he knows it. Everything is about trust. He knows you better than anyone else. So it's important for you to show him that you have changed, and this is just controlling your emotion. Talking to him as if it's Kimberly, be fun, be smart, make some jokes, being a challenge. And then he will say, oh, you have changed. Even if you love me, now that you prove that you have changed, I can come back to the relationship. I can show you that me too, I have changed, and we can rebuild something strong together. And the last reason why, even if you love him, he's not coming back into your life, is because he thinks or he knows that you're not happy. And this is unconsciously. But if I can feel that you're not happy, I'm not sure I want to spend the rest of my life with someone who is not happy. Do you understand what I'm saying? If today you can show to everyone, it could be your friends, your family, on social network, that you're so much happier than the past, then your ex will consider going back with you. Not for the relationship and all the love that you have experienced in the past, but for the new page that we can write together. And this is how men think. This is how your relationship can change today, okay? I know it's hurtful because you're telling your friends, your family, and yourself, I love him so much. Why is he not seeing that? Because love is not the answer. Happiness, trust, and also change. If you have changed forever, if you can show that for sure you're just this new lady, this new woman, that will change the situation. And I will help you with the no contact, with the letter, with all the techniques. I'm not talking about techniques in this video. I'm just talking about mindset. Because if you have the right mindset, then the techniques, you can just pick the one that you want. And it will work. Okay? If you have any question, if you want to talk about your situation, please leave a comment just right below. I will be here with the team. Give me a like and also subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Love Advice TV, it's a bunch of relationship experts. There is Coach Natalie, Coach Adrian, Coach Abby, Coach Steven, Coach Samira. We are here for you. We want to help you. We want to give the best to you. But if you are loving someone and it's not working, you need to find the answer in another situation, another path, another road. Okay? If you want to book a coaching session with me, it's easy. Come on with myexagain.com/coaching. And I will be here as a relationship expert. I will give you everything that you need. Confidence, communication skills, and that understanding male psychology, because I want to give you the best. Okay? I will see you soon, guys, and you deserve the best. Bye-bye.